In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conditional visibility in Adalo. Conditional visibility is a simple but powerful way to show or hide parts of your app only when they're relevant. Think of things like a logout button that appears when a user is signed in, a warning message that shows when a form is incomplete, or a promo banner that displays for certain users. Getting this right keeps your screens clean and your users focused. Start by opening your browser and searching for Adalo. Head to the Adalo site and log in so you're in the editor environment. Once you're in, you'll be working in the same place where you design screens and move components around. Now, click on the component you want to make conditionally visible. This can be anything: a button, a text label, an image, or a card. If you have several components stacked, zoom in a bit and use the component list to make sure you've selected the exact one you intend. It helps to give components clear names so you can identify them without guesswork, especially when there are multiple similar items on a screen. Choose the specific component you want to hide or show. If you're not sure whether you're on the right element, look at the outline and the bounding box in the editor to confirm. Remember that visibility is applied to the component you have selected. If that component sits inside a group, the group's visibility can also affect it. So keep that in mind for predictable behavior. With the component selected, look to the left side panel where the properties live. At the top right of that properties area, find the three-dot More menu. This menu gives you access to additional options that aren't immediately visible in the standard settings. Click it to reveal those extended controls. From that menu, choose Change Visibility. This is where Adalo lets you define when your component should appear. You'll see controls that allow you to set rules based on things like data, user context, or other conditions you care about. Use this to align the component's visibility with your app's logic, so it only shows when it adds value and stays hidden the rest of the time. A quick note on expectations. Once visibility rules are set, a component won't be interactive or tappable unless it's visible, which helps prevent accidental clicks. If something seems missing while you're working, it may simply be hidden by the conditions you chose, and that's the flow. Open Adalo, log in, select your component, open the More menu in the Properties panel, and choose Change Visibility to control exactly when it shows up. This keeps your interface clean, dynamic, and user-friendly.